Welcome back to Tech Avro. Today, in video 5 of our Google Drive series, we are stepping into phase 2 to master file sharing. Sharing files and folders via link is fast and convenient, but doing it incorrectly can lead to annoying access denied, errors, or security risks. Let me show you how to generate and send shareable links the right way. Method 1. Sharing a single file via link. Locate your file in Google Drive, right-click on it, hover over Share and select Copy Link from the sub-menu. Method 2. Sharing an entire folder via link. Right-click on your target folder, hover over Share and click Share from the options. A sharing configuration box will pop up on your screen. Now pay close attention to General Access settings at the bottom of this pop-up. By default, Google sets new links to restricted, meaning only people you manually invite can open them. To let anyone with the link view your file, click the restricted drop-down menu and change it to anyone with the link. Once your access level is configured, click the Copy Link button at the bottom left of the window. Paste the link into an email, WhatsApp message, or chat and send it out. If this link sharing guide made sending files simple, hit that like button and subscribe to Tech Avro. In video 6, we will break down permission settings between viewers, commenters, and editors. See you there.